has row list, width, width 400 pixel, margin auto. Margin auto. In the first one, padding you can give some 20 pixel, padding 20 px. So one is cat list, another one is called pro list. Category list as well as pro list. Sequence, but this will not show you anything. It should come in the middle directly. It look like this. Button in the middle and items in the bottom. Font size you can write here. Pro list of p tag has pro list of p tag. Pro list of p tag. Pro list of p tag. Font hyphen size. Font size 22 pixel. Line hyphen height 35 pixel. So it should be little up down, font size big and all here there, something like this. Now next CSS for button. So wrote till here. Catalyst pro list of p, pro list of p. Under the pro list, whichever the p tag we have, okay, got it. Come now, write the CSS for button. 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 Padding. Padding. 10 px from top. Left, right 40 px. Bottom also 10 px. Background. By default, which color? Green color. After that, padding background color white, font size 25 px, border none, cursor will look like this. Next, after that, you can write button colon hover. Button colon hover. button colon hover, background should convert into orange color, not orange, blue color. When the mouse will go, will convert into blue color. Again, button colon focus. When you click on button, the background should convert into red color. By default, green, mouse move blue, click red. So button will be only one, and according to mouse move, the changes will happen. In button, you can write one box shadow, box shadow, box shadow, 0px, 0px, 5px, green color only, or gray color. Gray color. So that button will look like glowing button. Green, let me put. See what is happening. Okay, this look like glowing button. Please make this ready. 3 section or button. Then we can come to the JavaScript and we'll make dynamic button and dynamic item. Dynamic button and dynamic item. Okay, got it. Written. Button is coming. Over and focus. You want to make button more something. Font size you can increase 28. Button will become big size. Font size if you increase, button will become big size like this. Okay. Next, come to the script. So you can ping me if your design part is done. CSS design is ready. Now we can go for the script and we can create a nested array. We'll store the data in nested array, and after that, once the mouse will go, then data will appear. What is the final requirement we are developing? Suppose this is the mobile. When the mouse will go to mobile, here mobile category item will come. When the mouse will go to the laptop, only laptop category item will come here. When the mouse will go to the user, only user will come here. If the mouse will go to the books, only books will come here. So category will print here dynamic, and their product will print below also dynamic. Okay, so for that, our array should be well organized in JavaScript, then only it will happen. If array is not organized properly, okay, so come to the script now. So those style part you leave on the top. Now come from the script nodes. In style now, In a script, create an array item equal to cat, means category books. Next, product colon array. Okay. Similar way, comma 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's keep 5 category. Keep 5 category. After keeping 5 category, change the name of the category. Books, then mobile, then you can say laptop, then you can say something bike. Next you can say call something mouse, or maybe we can say call food. Books, mobile, laptop, bike, and food. Books, mobile, laptop, bike, and foods. Now inside the book, we have to add some. So first let's print only category. Now we got the category. How many category? 5 category. This 5 category we should print inside the browser. Test 1, test 2, 3, test 3 is coming. All will get replaced by category name. Okay. Write a function where get category. Get category. Where get category. Write here a variable data equal to map item dot map cat name index data equal to data plus open the button close the button write for cat name. Cat name. Next, once this loop is over, document dot do get element. Document dot get element ID. Which ID? Cat list. Under the cat list, dot inner HTML equal to data. Inner HTML equal to data. Get category call onload. Get category call onload. rotate, or no, onload. Onload, you call this, what it will do? Onload, call this function. Onload, call this function. It will create the button dynamic. All old button will replace with the new buttons. Run the page, you will find test 1, test 2, test 3, 4 will get replaced by new buttons. Will get replaced by new button. Got replaced? You will get the total new buttons. See, oh, object, how object? Oh, because it is the multi-dimensional array. We are printing here cat name directly, right? It should not be like that. Hold on. Right here, item info. Item info. And here you write item info dot cat. Item info dot cat. Item info dot cat. Item info dot cat is print here. Item info dot cat. So what cat will give you? Mobile, laptop, bike, food and all. Getting list of buttons, category name. Right, let me know. Are you getting the category name as the buttons? Category name should come as a button. Like this. If you add one more category, one more will come here. Category name. See here, test 1, test 2 is there. This is getting replaced by new content. New content is coming from JavaScript. Okay, so test 1, test 2, test 3 is not visible now. Why? Because it's getting replaced by the content generated by JavaScript. Go next. Now product also should display. So better you can test 1, test 2 you can remove from here. And from here also apple, mango, banana you delete from here. Because in this both the division content is going to come dynamically from JavaScript. For both the button, content will come from JavaScript dynamically. Okay, go next. Next, after this, button is as usual, item is gone. When you move your mouse and mobile, or click on mobile, only mobile items will come. When you click on laptop, only laptop items will come. So this array is empty now. We have to fill the data. In case of book, CSS book, JS book, PHP is book, Node is a book. Let it be for mobile. Nokia will be one mobile. Plain mobile. MI and Dell one laptop. HP another laptop. Acer another laptop. Super is one bike. Hero. Honda. Okay. Food. Apple. Rice. Save this. Fill the data properly. Product data. Ready? Now we need to read the data from array. So hope you fill the data. In product, you fill the data. Now after this, when we click on book in browser, when we click on book, only book data should come here. When we click on mobile, only mobile data should come here. So first, when the page will load, the book data should come when the page will load. Now look at here. Book is available in which position? 0 position. Now if you want to print the JavaScript, what to print? How do you print? You will print like item of 0. Item of 0 will point to this line. Item of 0 dot product. Item of 0 dot product of 1 will give you the JavaScript. So we need to point now through the pointers. Okay, through the position we need to point where it is. Okay, now come down. Write another function called getPro. Where getPro. In getPro, by default you need to read the first position element. So right here index and come down alert, not alert. Okay. Alert also alert under the item on a particular index has a property called product dot length. Product dot length. Okay. Inside the item array on a particular index. Now what will be the index? We don't know. On a particular index, there is the product. Correct? So 0 position will be product, and inside the product you have data in the form of array. So we are saying product dot length. How many should be? 0, not 0. 1, 2, 3, and then total 4 elements. So come down, getPro function again. Call here onload only. Give comma onload. Call the getPro and pass as a 0. Separated by comma, we can call multiple function for the same event. Onload, first call the get category, comma, get pro. Save it. Refresh your page. You will see one alert. Once you refresh the page, you will get one alert. 4. Alert is 4. 4 is nothing but total number of product inside the product array. Total number of element inside the product array. So when I refresh my page, I'm also getting 4. So total elements was 4. 4, right? Depend on how many you have added here. If you have added 6, then 6 will come. Now come down. You need to run a loop for this. So create a variable in the beginning. Variable data equal to h2 or maybe h1 available items. Close the h1 available items. Close the h1. If label items, close the H1. Now come down and write here. This item of index of product dot map. Product dot map. So you are going to run the, or let's do like this. If you feel like syntax very difficult, no problem. Create a variable called all product. All product equal to assign this element. All product equal to assign your all the product. Okay. So inside the item on a index, there is a product we assign to where? All product. Then easily you can write all product dot map. All product dot map. All product dot map. Write inside name of the product as well as index of the product. All will open, come inside. Next we will write here data equal to data plus, open the p tag, write the name of the product, close the p tag. Next, after this loop, document.getElement by ID, row list dot inner HTML equal to data. Row list dot inner HTML equal to data. Okay, I wrote it. Check now. Are you getting any product list? See, all the book category product appear by default. So on load get product is calling, and there you call the function and pass the parameter as a 0. 0 will go to index. Then it will check in item on index. There is some product. Take that and pass to the all product. After that, all product dot map, and then printed below A to Z. Working. Button click now, item should change. When you are clicking on button on category, again below item should get changed. So for that, we need to call the getPro function on button click. We need to call getPro function on button click and do something. Come there. To the category button. You have a button, category item info.cat. Please check once your item is listed. First item, that is from the book. First item is printed. Now come to the code. You have to call the getPro function and pass the 0 on button click. So we can go here. On click equal to call the getPro, and in getPro you have to pass index. GetPro you have to pass the index. GetPro function call the index. Then whenever you click on any product category, their product will be listed out. Okay, then come now. Click on the product category. If you print, their product will appear. Something like that. Instead of click, you can write on mouse enter. As soon as the mouse will touch, content will appear below. On mouse enter, as soon as we click, content will print below. As soon as we touch by mouse, content will print below. On mouse enter. On mouse enter, change the event on mouse enter, you can leave it click west, or you can leave it on mouse interface. Error. More mouse enter or click here. On MOUSE mouse. We have written mouse center. Mouse enter. Change it. Okay. Next, after that, we can add one more category with the product, and then we'll see it is coming or not. So go to your array and add one more category with the product. Okay. Tech. Then Java tech, Node tech, PHP tech, UI tech, save it. Okay, tech, Java tech, Node tech, PHP tech, UI tech. Go to the browser, you will find automatically. Right? Do you need to add any extra line? No. As soon as the data will add, it will come automatically. Okay. This is called nested array, array of object. This is already array, but inside that you can see one more array. Now you are able to reach till a particular element based on position. If you are moving your mouse on bike, all the bike item displayed below. Why? Because when you move your mouse on bike, you are passing the index of bike, and based on that index, we are able to capture their remaining property and values. Okay. Now next modification is required. When you move the mouse on mobile, it should say available items in mobile. Okay. When you move your mouse on laptop, below is coming here available item. It should say available items in laptop. Like the name of category should come here. Directly it is printing the text. It should be dynamic. Okay. Look at here. You have printed below available item particular. Written here available item as a particulars. So we need to write here modification is required. So go here. Available items in available items in available items in. How to get the name of category? Category name you will get. What is the name of the array? Name of the array is item of index dot cat. Okay. So items of index dot cat. It will display available items in particular category. Check it now. Whichever the mouse you move, it will show the name of the particular category. Error. What code he wrote? Every steps there is a problem. Comma. After food array, comma is required. After food. Last end of the array. Comma. Check now. Okay. Okay. So it looks like this. See, it's saying available item in book. This many mobile, laptop, bike, food, tape. So wherever the mouse will go, it H3 is not closed in JavaScript. H1 I have not closed. H1. It's happening. No? Once you work for 1 year, no, in some company, automatically after looking into the code, you will say there is an error. Okay, mechanic, when the bike will go on the road, mechanic will see and he will say like something problem, exact problem. Engine oil is less. Okay, he will say there is some brake is not working. Okay. Similar way, when you become experience in the code, then after looking into the problem, you'll come to know what will be the possibility and you will reach direct point. You will not look here, there, you will reach direct point. This can be the problem. Okay, so look like this. Now another work. In book, how many items are there? 4. So it should say 4 available items in book. When you go to the mobile, it should say 3 available items in mobile. Okay, so length of this, length of the element should appear before the length, before available. So we can go here and you see here. So what to do? We have already here all product. When you see all product, we wanted to display the length of all product, right? You wanted to display the length of all product. So all product you cut from here and paste in beginning of the function. Cut from there and paste in the beginning of the function. All product we have written, all product was just below. You cut from there and paste in the beginning. All product was before map, cut from there and paste before H1. Okay, do that. After that, create a variable var call var. We have less space. So I'll write a variable called total. We can write all in one line also, but I made a separate variable total all product dot length. All product dot length. Now what it will give you? It will give you the length of the product. All product dot length will give you the length of the product total. Now this total you need to inject before available. This total variable you need to concat here before available in H1. In H1 you need to concat those variables. Okay, ready? Now let's come to the code. Hope written the total. See total you need to add here now. After H1, do the plus plus, put the plus plus and add here call H1. Okay. And then give a space. It will say total available items in. It will say 5 available items in mobile, 4 available items in book. Check now, length is coming. Okay. Should be like this. 4 available items in books. 3 available items in mobile, something. That's everywhere. Wherever you go, it will give you dynamic. This is called JavaScript. Okay. So your page is holding some data. From that data, based on your interaction, processing is happening and data is getting populated in the browser. Right? Okay, working. So today one example only. We'll see again tomorrow. Data binding. We are finishing. We will be moving under the API. So this way, how you have got the data here in array. Now we need to bring this data from the backend. We need to bring the data from the backend, and after that, we need to give to the JavaScript. JavaScript will do the process here, there, and display inside the page. So that come under the API. Okay. So that is, don't be absent. Attend regular will be helpful for you. API is important. Very, very important. Not only important, very, very important. Which one? API. Okay. I will share this file in the chat now. Next API, then Ajax, then remaining. Okay, yesterday video I have not uploaded, I guess.